Welcome to Wakanda, a hidden gem where tradition meets innovation, and the future is now.
With advanced technology, check out this vibranium bracelet. It's not just a piece of art, it boosts your energy levels.
Incredible. I've never seen anything like this back home.
Step into the Royal Black Panther Temple, where history and spirituality unite, honoring our ancestors and the strength of our heritage.
This temple holds the wisdom of our ancestors. Feel the energy of our great leaders.
Who wants to try our latest suit?
Come, discover the wonders of Wakanda, a world where dreams become reality, where the past and future intertwine. Your adventure awaits. Visit Wakanda.com to plan your journey. Experience the future today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insightful content. Join our community and stay updated on the latest cinematic, AI-generated commercial videos. Share your thoughts below. Let me know what you think, and if your brand is ready for its own AI-powered commercial, I'd love to help bring it to life.